how to fix audio issue in TikTok Live Studio. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing audio issues, so first thing, just head over to your TikTok Live Studio application, and as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now what you want to do is just always make sure that your microphone or speakers are unmuted. So to make this video, I want to mute this mic and speaker so that there is no disturbance on the video while making video. So now next thing what you want to do is, after making sure of these both are not at mute, just select this audio mixer button over here, and once you tap on it, you can see there is a settings right under this audio option. So just select it from over here and just head over to general settings. So once you're inside your general settings, make sure it's on not muted and it's over or close to 100%. And if you are using default device, so you can just select the second option, that is your speakers or headphones. So in my case it's Realtek audio, so I'll simply select it and just click on save, and just like that your issue should be fixed regarding any audio on TikTok Live Studio. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.